I'd never expect something so brutal to happen in a matter of 10 seconds. How does someone even cause 4 cars to get fully wrecked? The way that this guy hit the car and immediately ran away shows how much courage he has. I really hope he ends up in jail, where he belongs. Watching this reminds me of how bears fight with each other, so violent and always causing unnecessary problems. This accident was so brutal, and for what? Is this a new way for people to release their anger or something? Sounds like a lot of fun, doesn't it? The way the metal and glass shatter into tiny pieces and the car flips 5 times. Just what I need, to be honest. I swear, every time I see a car accident, I keep seeing the cars as cats. Because every time a car crashes, it reacts just like a cat. Tell me I'm wrong. I'm sure this accident was a real roller coaster. The drifting and the live action makes a perfect source of entertainment. The other accidents I see are so chaotic. They make me never want to go on the road again. But this accident just leaves both cars driving off again like nothing happened. smooth way to change directions, except it comes with the risk of your car getting ruined, loss of money, and maybe an additional chance of death. Do people just not look at traffic lights before speeding into someone? I'd love to know how much the repair bills must be, but by the looks of it, it looks like it'd be more than the price of a house.